everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Okay, this product was sent to me by Once for All Official, and I'm about to unbox it. And you guys know Nike is always ready for an unbox. I agreed to take this product for free in exchange for my honest review. I have not had a product like this before. I haven't used it before, but when I saw the videos, I was invested and interested. So let's go ahead and unbox this product first before we go ahead to test it, okay guys? Okay guys, are you ready? So can you guys see that? This is actually a vegetable chopper. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box. And here we actually do have the gift receipt in here. Okay guys, so here we go. This is actually the multifunctional vegetable chopper. They said it's been upgraded, large capacity, easy to clean, and high quality. So truth is, I don't own a vegetable chopper, but I do see videos of a lot of vegetable chopper that people have, and I'm so interested, as I did say, and I'm invested. I want to know what this vegetable chopper can do. But before then, I always love to read, the boxes, just see what it has in the box. I'm not so good on the manual, but I think with this one, I might have to take my time to go through the manual. So here it does say slice strips, julienne dices, once for all. No need to replace blades. Wow, that's amazing. Did you guys see that? So when you're using this, all you just need to do is adjust over here. It has like an adjuster where it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to level 10, and you just need to adjust for 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter type of dice, depending on how you want to dice it and the thickness. It has it all here. And then here it just says it is collapsible. So accessories list, this is all the accessories that it does come with. This is it right here. And then here it says it's an upright mandolin slicer, so it stands upright. It is not the flat one. I have seen the flat slicers. So we're gonna go ahead now and we're gonna take this out of the box, guys. Are you guys excited? I'm so excited, guys. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box. I want you guys to experience it with me, okay? My fingers. Oh Lord, I like it though. Nice packaging. You guys see it has a styrofoam, meaning it's well protected in there. So let's go ahead and take this out. So the name of the brand, again, just for you guys that are wanting to know, is called Once for All. And I love the fact that they do say there's no need to replace blades. I know for the ones that you do see, the adverts that I've seen, you're always replacing blades. And oh my God, guys, do you see that? It comes with a brush for cleaning. This is so amazing. And I got the color pink. Oh my God, guys, this is so cool. Alright, so we're just going to put this box to the side. Let's see if there's a manual in there. There's no manual in there. But okay, the manual is actually here. I didn't see it. So here we go, guys. This is the manual. So let's go ahead and check this out real quick, okay? Wow, this is beautiful. Lovely color. I love it. Jones Cook. Once for all. Okay, y'all know that I haven't used this before, so I'm just gonna put this down. Okay, yeah, no, I don't have to figure things out. It is Nike now. I always know how to do things without reading the manual. ITK, I too know. I too sabi. Alright, we'll put this to the side. So this actually was like this. It came well protected. So when you go ahead and you order from them, you know your product is coming safe, secured, well protected. So taking off the styrofoam. Let me keep this so you guys can see how beautiful it is. And then here we do have this part. You guys see that? So, wow, this is beautiful, guys. You see that? So I think this is where you drop in. This is where when you slice, it drops in here. I am guessing. And it's a safe vegetable chopper. So this is ITK now. Let's do this together, guys. Let's figure it out. Everything that common sense. I'm just going by what I do see here. I'm not even using the manual. Alright, guys. So let's see. So let's raise this up a little bit. So, this is where the slicer is, and it has a protective shield. You guys see that? This is what it's looking like. This is exactly what it's looking like on here, but I need to get this fixed, so I'm gonna have to figure this out. That's a busy body that I am. Y'all know I will always do it. See, I fixed it without even using the manual. But so right in here is where you go ahead and place this, and then you clip it. Do you guys see? It has like a clipper on here. So I'll put this in here. Raise this button up. Pull this button up, and then voila, guys, we did it. We fixed it. And then this comes here, and then I put my potato in here, and then it chops it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go through the manual and see what settings I do need for potatoes, because I do see stuff in here that I have to read. So I'm going to go through it, but before I get back, I've got in my potatoes. I'm going to be making some fries this morning, so you guys should stay tuned, okay? Ciao! Okay guys, so now that I've studied the manual, I now know what these functions are for. This cup right here is for when you put the vegetable or whatever it is you're going to be dicing in the front. Everything lands in the cup. Yeah, let me take it out so you guys can see. And then here, this is like the 360 click. When you turn it, it changes the levels of the cutter. So if you want it to cut in a thinner slice, wider size, it's clockwise, anti-clockwise, it goes both ways. And this top part, you see what it does? It lifts this up. This is the chopper itself. It lifts it up. And then you go, yep. When you keep going, you press it and you keep going that way, the potatoes is coming or your vegetables is coming. I've already tried it out just before all this. You guys can see a little potato stuck in there, because obviously I needed to see how it functions before I decide to show it to you guys. So that's what you guys can see here. So now I've dropped the potatoes. You guys see it. I intentionally cut it this size. So I've adjusted it. It's on the number 6 right now. So this is what number 6 gives you. Do you guys see that? So it gives you a particular size. I remember growing up, we used to have a potato chopper, but it just used to give us one size. But this is not just potato, this is both for vegetables as well. But I didn't have vegetables at home. It was potatoes I had that I used for the experiment, okay? So this is the size that it gives you for number 6. So, what are the advantages of this slicer? I actually like the fact that it is safe to use, and it's easy to clean. Trust me, by the time I just opened the running water in it and I used the splasher, it was so easy to get rid of the dirty, not dirty, basically, the food residue. It's a good quality, and it's made up of 420% stainless steel blades, which are safe and healthy for vegetables. It's stand up. It's a stand up slicer too. Adjustable. You can adjust it to any size that you want. So I'll say you should go ahead and check them out on Amazon. How much do they cost? As I said again, for this particular brand, which is the Jolene that came from Once for All. They actually sell theirs for $39.99, which I think is a good deal, not so expensive. So yeah, I do have Apple. I mean, I did see that you can use it for several other fruits, vegetables, depending on the kind of fruit and vegetable. And it's adjustable too. So I was just like, okay, let me go ahead and see if this is going to work for an apple. I did see they tried it with cucumbers, oranges, limes, lemon. I mean, if you can work for that, why not? You can use it for carrots, you can use it for tomatoes, you can use it for onions. I think you can use it to chop your broccoli if you want, because don't forget it's a vegetable slicer as well. So for my apple here, I did adjust it to size 1, which you guys can see. It's coming out very thin. It's coming out in thin slices. I think for me to make you guys see this well, I'll just go ahead and adjust my camera so you guys can see it better. So do you guys see how thin this slice is? Let me make sure my camera is steady. So, as thin as this slice looks, right? This can be used for like apple chips, which I think I love the idea. You know, I'm gonna try making apple chips. So I'm gonna be slicing more. I'll dry it in the oven. I'll dehydrate the apple in the oven and see how my apple chips comes out. Yay! And as you guys can see, do you guys see that? It looks so beautiful. This is the number 5. Let's go ahead and change the size to something larger. Let's see. Oh, that was number 1. So let's put it at number 5 now. So do you guys see? The higher it gets, the wider the size. Yes, that's what I was meant to say. The higher you adjust it, the wider the size. You guys see? It looks so beautiful. Oh my God. Will I suggest you should try this product out? I'll say yes. Give it a try. It's a beautiful vegetable chopper. Good for fries, good for your vegetables. It has nice cutter blades. It's detachable and adjustable. As you guys can see, I am adjusting to different sizes over here. This, I think, in my own opinion, is a very good innovation, saving you time. It is upright. It's not leaning, bending, which I think is good. It has a large container that receives the vegetables. Alright guys, so I wanted you guys to see all the different sizes, the shapes that I can get from this vegetable chopper. And as you guys can see, everything is looking so beautiful. Again, I'll say go ahead and check them out on Amazon. I will be dropping a link in the description down below. Go ahead, check them out and buy it to help you save time in the kitchen, okay? You can also gift it as a gift. I mean, it doesn't have to be for your personal use if you don't know how to cook. So if you see this and you're interested, please go ahead and check the link in the bio, okay? So here I have finished making the fries at home, and these are the things. So I suggest you go ahead and check them out on Amazon.
The handles were comfortable while I was using it. The brackets, as you guys see, they were stabilized. They are anti-slip as well. They have the safety lock, so just in case, we're human beings and we make mistake, your kids want to experiment, so they have safety locks, so they're not going to go ahead to wound themselves or maybe injure themselves because of the safety lock. So go ahead, guys, check them out. They cost $39.99 on Amazon. I will be dropping the link. You guys should go ahead and check them out while I enjoy my yummy, delicious fries of different shapes and sizes. Oh, so you guys, I really appreciate you for staying up until this time. You guys are amazing, okay? Remember to hit the like and the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you will be notified each time I drop a new video like this, okay? Ciao! Bye!
Bye.